سورة التكوير.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
إذا الشمس كورت.
When the sun is wound round and its light is lost and overthrown.
وإذا النجوم انكدرت.
And when the stars fall.
وإذا الجبال سيرت.
And when the mountains are made to pass away.
وإذا العشار عطلت.
And when the pregnant she-camels are neglected.
وإذا الوحوش حشرت.
And when the wild beasts are gathered together.
وإذا البحار سجرت.
And when the seas become as blazing fire or overflow.
وإذا النفوس زوجت.
And when the souls shall be joined with their bodies.
وإذا الموءودة سئلت.
And when the female infant buried alive is questioned.
بأي ذنب قتلت.
For what sin was she killed?
وإذا الصحف نشرت.
And when the written pages of deeds are laid open.
وإذا السماء كشطت.
And when the heavens shall be stripped off and taken away from its place.
وإذا الجحيم سعرت.
And when the hellfire is set ablaze.
وإذا الجنة أزلفت.
And when the paradise shall be brought near.
علمت نفس ما أحضرت.
Then every person will know what he has bought of good and evil.
فلا أقسم بالخنس.
So verily, I swear by the planets that recede.
الجوار الكنس.
And by the planets that move swiftly and hide themselves.
والليل إذا عسعس.
And by the night as it departs.
والصبح إذا تنفس.
And by the dawn as it brightens.
إنه لقول رسول كريم.
Verily, this is the word brought by a most honorable messenger.
ذي قوة عند ذي العرش مكين.
Owner of power, with Allah the Lord of the throne.
مطاع ثم أمين.
Obeyed and trustworthy.
وما صاحبكم بمجنون.
And your companion is not a madman.
ولقد رآه بالأفق المبين.
And indeed he saw him in the clear horizon.
وما هو على الغيب بضنين.
And he withholds not a knowledge of the unseen.
وما هو بقول شيطان رجيم.
And it is not the word of an outcast shaitan.
فأين تذهبون.
Then where are you going?
إن هو إلا ذكر للعالمين.
Verily, this is no less than a reminder to all mankind and jinn.
لمن شاء منكم أن يستقيم.
To whomsoever among you who wills to walk straight.
وما تشاءون إلا أن يشاء الله رب العالمين.
And you cannot will, unless it be that Allah wills, the Lord of the mankind, the jinn, and all that exists.